हेलो, वेलकम टू मर्न देश। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सोनम कपूर के बारे में। सोनम कपूर एक ऐसी सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड इंसान कह सकते हो जिसका एजेंडा हमेशा एक ही रहता है, मतलब ये दिखाना कि मैं सबसे ज़्यादा अलग हूँ, मैं क्लासी हूँ और मैं सबसे ज़्यादा फैशनेबल हूँ। और इस वीडियो में हम दिखाने वाले हैं कि सोनम कपूर के वो मूवमेंट जो क्लियरली दिखाता है कि उनका ऑब्सेशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, जो कि है खुद सोनम कपूर।
I just feel bad when somebody is so bad, and I still have to see him or her in 25 films just because he's somebody's son or daughter. Then I feel no, that's not fair.
Yeah.
You know, if he would have been an outsider, 2 films, and it would be like, bye. There are 1,000 other people waiting to act.
Yeah, be a fucking hero, Rajkumar. Just stop being poor.
I don't think the industry is that forgiving though, unless the father has like tons of money and they're constantly producing films on the person.
Acha. I'm sure some fathers have it.
If you had the power to give the following celebrities these aspects, who would you give them to? Great acting skills.
Okay, I myself.
Myself. सिर्फ शक्ल अच्छा होना सब कुछ नहीं है। टैलेंट नाम की भी चीज़ रहती है जो हर किसी में नहीं होता।
No, come on.
You're
dude.
being so modest.
I know.
All right, okay. A sense of fashion?
The whole industry, they all suck. 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 The whole industry, they all suck.
खुद पुराने घर के किचन के टाइल्स की तरह दिखने वाले और जाली वाली बनियान जैसे और टीवी के ऊपर लगने वाले जो चादर है उनकी तरह दिखने वाले कपड़े पहनकर तुम ये नहीं कह सकते कि द होल इंडस्ट्री दे ऑल सक।
Guys, please comb your hair. You know that this gel look not happening anymore. That was very 90s. I love it.
You also said that, I have people. It's very important to have people who look after your brand.
Correct.
But sort of nowhere else in any other film industries do actors talk about themselves as brands apart from India. Why do you think that is?
I don't think that's true. People need to go in there and buy tickets, and they need to go and see me. Like, because everybody's on social media right now. Everybody wants something quick, and everyone wants something that something that's fun. And so why would somebody go and watch your movie? You need to be relevant in terms of you need to be happening and you need to be fun. I mean, there's not many people who want to go to the cinema anymore.
भाई कोई मुझे बताओ ये इधर क्या बोल रही है। You need to be relevant, you need to be happy. Oh my God, I'm so precious. इसे खुद को पता है कि इसने जो भी कहा कुछ भी फालतू कहा, फिर भी इसको एंड में लगता है कि मैंने जो भी कहा इसका कुछ तो मतलब निकला।